Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see the features of iPhone XS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about its look and feel. Apple company has said that iPhone XS is an uncompromising smartphone. It has a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display which has a really stunning look, and also it is scratch resistant. Another thing is that its stainless steel frame. It gives more beauty to the phone, and also it has a notched display, and also I like its front and back glass. So in the case of look and feel, iPhone XS is really awesome. So now let's see its performance. Apple company has brought a really good updation in this smartphone. Instead of using A11 Bionic chipset, A12 Bionic chipset is used, and it is the most powerful and smart chipset ever used in a smartphone, and I'm sure that it will increase the performance of this smartphone. The operating system in this phone is iOS 12 and the processor is hexa-core. So in the case of performance, Apple is really good. Now let's talk about its camera. In the back it has a dual camera. The first one is of 12 megapixel with wide angle lens, and the second one is also 12 megapixel but it has a telephoto lens. It supports 4K videos, and also we can record super slow motion videos in this phone. We get 30, 60, 120 and up to 240 frames per second while recording videos. In the front it has a 7 megapixel camera, and it supports HDR photos and videos. Actually, for a camera the megapixel doesn't matter, but we want good quality photos and videos, and we know Apple company is an uncompromising one in this field also. Using this smartphone we get really good outputs for videos and as well as pictures. Now the battery, it has a 2658 mAh battery, and it is non-removable and a Li-ion battery. We get 20 hours talk time and 60 hours for music play. It has a 4GB RAM, and it is available in 3 variants. The first one is of 64GB, the second one is of 128GB, and the third one is of 256GB. It is available in 3 different colors. One is of space gray, the another one is gold, and the next one is silver. So this phone supports dual SIM. The first one will be a nano SIM, and the other one is an eSIM. If you don't know what is an eSIM, then please comment below so that I can make a video about that. Now at last, the price. The price is about 76,900 rupees in India. So these are all the things that I want to tell you in this video. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's see in another video. Till then, bye.